awesome to not only win one championship, but to win 2 championships. Congratulations, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Thank you very much.
For a long time,
I appreciate that.
I get nervous when I drive the chassis dyno all the time.
That's how you adjust your headlights? Yeah. I didn't know that. Yeah!
Gotten to just realize what goes into this, and it's so cool to see.
That's a big ring.
We'll get you one. You got one coming.
Oh, they don't have championships for CEOs.
She's good to go.
Give it up for everybody at Ford Motor Company and everybody at Ford Performance.